Introducing the new Ego Power Plus Snowblower. With peak power technology and a push start, it starts the first time, every time. Featuring an innovative remote shoot adjustment and a powerful 35-foot throwing distance, it's the first true alternative to gas. And the quick fold handle provides for easy storage and transport. Experience power beyond belief with the new Ego Power Plus Snowblower.
Greenworks is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The 13-amp 20-inch corded snow thrower quickly and effectively clears driveways, sidewalks, and patios. Get more power, torque, and longer tool life without the hassle of gas. With a 20-inch clearing width and 10-inch clearing depth, move large amounts of snow conveniently that has fallen up to 10 inches deep. The discharge chute rotates 180 degrees for directional control and can throw snow up to a distance of 20 feet away. The 7-inch rear wheels makes it convenient to maneuver over multiple snowy surfaces. Easily store the tool after use thanks to the convenient folding handles. The 13-amp 20-inch corded snow thrower is an ideal alternative to gas. No gas, no oil, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.
When it comes to snow, go with Joe. Introducing the Snow Joe Ultra SJ625E electric snowblower. Snow Joe Ultra delivers the power of a gas machine with the performance of an electric for unlimited snow shredding operation, driven by a robust 15-amp motor. Ultra moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. Its durable steel auger with 2 rubber blades cuts a path 21 inches wide by 12 inches deep with each pass. The adjustable discharge chute rotates a full 180 degrees to direct the snow stream up to 20 feet away, while the onboard 3-watt headlight shines bright to make nighttime clearing safe and easy. Easy Glide all-terrain wheels make the Snow Joe Ultra easy to turn and maneuver with each pass, and the scraper blade at the base of the unit efficiently scrapes the snow clear to the ground without damaging your deck or pavement. Ultra is ETL approved and comes with a full 2-year warranty. So, when it comes to snow, go with Joe. The SJ625E Ultra electric snowblower. From Snow Joe, get equipped.
Introducing the ultimate grab-and-go snow busting tool, 24V SS10 from Snow Joe. Combining innovation and functionality, Snow Joe provides an easy, convenient, and cordless solution to get snow out of your way this winter. Powered by Snow Joe's exclusive Ion Plus 24-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery system, 24V SS10 delivers up to 24 minutes of battery runtime to quickly clear snow from your porch, patio, driveway, deck, and more. The right choice is the right choice with Snow Joe. Weighing less than 10 pounds, 24V SS10 shreds up to 1,632 pounds of snow per charge, while the dual handle design eliminates the need to bend and strain, maximizing user comfort and ease of use. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, Snow Joe throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing a 10-inch wide by 6-inch deep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. And when the work's done, simply plug the battery pack back in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe. The 24V SS10 24-volt cordless snow shovel from Snow Joe. Get equipped.